Oop. Hitting shit everywhere. Well, they're making some progress. I got another piece of equipment out to get the other two pieces of equipment out. Man, I feel sorry for these guys. This is just insane. Looks like now they got a backhoe out in order to help out the front end loader that's trying to help out the blade. Shit. Maybe I ought to dig out my old pick-em-up truck and see if I can help pull them out. I don't know. Oh, the loader's moving. I don't know if it's true or not, but from what I understand, we're under a curfew. We can't be out without getting cited or arrested or something. So it's kind of like a lockdown. Tried getting to the grocery store yesterday, and I just barely got the truck back to the house. Almost made it. I would have made it if it hadn't stalled out, but oh, what are you going to do? Well, I'm going to keep an eyeball on this. If there's any changes, I might make another upload. Who knows? Peace, everybody. Stay warm.